Hey guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of what I got on GameStop. And so let's just start opening. So first I have this. What is this? This is Xbox One upcoming releases. This is all of them if you want to see it. Right? And then of these. So yeah, set that to the side and let's get into the beauty. Alright, here we got Turtle Beach headphones. It cost $50. Here it is. Alright, nice. So just gonna open it. Opening the box. I'm just gonna show the camera right here because I'm trying to open the box. Alright. I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna open the box, so be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We just opened the box, so it comes with the little microphone. Alright. Comes with this. Plug it in. It comes with, what is this? This. And let's open this. The manual. Just Turtle Beach can't help. And this is turning right. Okay. Now this. Oh, here's the beauty. Alright. Sorry guys. I'm having a bit trouble. So I'm gonna be back when I open this. So yeah, be right back. You might hear the sound. Alright, we're back. So I just opened it. Here it is. Really cool. Awesome. So, alright, here's the little thing. I'll just take this off. Okay. Okay. Got that off. Oh, gotta get this one off too. Which one does it go? This way. Alright, it's loose, everyone. Here's the Turtle Beach headphones. Awesome. So, I'm just gonna set that to the side. Now, I'm just going to open this. Let's see what this is. And be right back. Alright, we're back. So, I opened this. You see this? I guess this is a USB. USB for the PlayStation. Now we have to open this. Sorry. I'm trying to open these stuff, but I can't really point at it while I'm opening it that much. So I'm sorry guys. stuff. Gotta plug this in back of the TV. Pretty sure. If you want. And finally, we're gonna open this and plug it in. Gotta be gentle. I'm so sorry, guys, that you can't see me opening it. Alright. So I opened it. You just pull it off. Here is the mic. Feels nice. And you have to plug it in. So you have to plug it in where? Right here. That's where you have to plug it in. Right here. So you stick this in that little hole. Just stick it in there quick. Alright, now it's in. And we could play. Awesome. It's really cool. So, we have this. Okay. So, the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is a game that I got. And it is Battlefield 4. It's pretty old, but oh well, I still like it. It's pretty cool. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like the video. And yeah, guys, bye.